Hi, my name's Aiden. I'm a second year apprentice at FHG. I'm on my second year cabinet making apprenticeship. I initially had an interest in woodworking because I played guitar a lot and I wanted to learn how to build guitars initially, but there's not really many places to do that around here, so I started doing furnishing in high school and that led me on to doing it as a job here. The craftsmanship was just amazing really. It was more art than a job, you know. This is our big belt sander. Basically just, we can use it to sand tables because of how big it is, and I always like using it because it's quite relaxing to just kind of sit here and sand and really make everything look nice after you've been using the saw for a while. So when I'm not building furniture, like I mentioned earlier, I do like to play guitar. Just really like music, and I have a wide variety of instruments that I like to pull apart.